Hey guys, this is JoesGE with JoesGE Electronics, here with the UrBeats repair video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the right side speaker. All the parts that will be used in this video are available on our website linked below. Let's begin with first removing the ear tip, warming up the speaker housing in order so we can remove the speaker. Now once we remove the speaker, it would be nice to have it propped so we could unsolder it, make our job much easier. Try to remember which side the wires are, red on the right and red and copper on the left. That way when we replace the speaker, we could solder them exactly where they're soldered before. Keeping the wires clean while desoldering will make the job much easier. Let's go ahead and grab our replacement speaker and put it on our little handy holding tool. Remembering which side is the red wire and which side is the copper wire is a good idea, so we could resolder the wires exactly as they were soldered before. Now we're going to solder back the wires exactly as we unsoldered them from the previous non-functional speaker. Now we're going to take the speaker we went ahead and replaced, and then it had soldered back on. We will go ahead and place it back in exactly as it was placed before. Next process is we'll put a couple dabs of glue around the speaker. So once we set it, it could set and harden, therefore will not fall out while we're using it. Once speaker is set back in around the speaker housing, it'd be nice to take a towel and clean it around the rim in order to keeping it clean from any of the glue residue. Alright, once the speaker is set, we'll go ahead and put the ear tip back on. If you guys have any questions regarding this repair tutorial, comment on the section below and we'll do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.